In this video, we will look at the VWAP that you can find on Market Cipher that looks like this. And then we will look at VWAP indicators on Search Flux A. So VWAP is not really an oscillator. It's a trend following indicator that is used to determine the average price of an asset weighed by trading volume over a specific period. So, as you can see here, it's typically used with intraday charts as a way to determine the general direction of intraday prices. It's similar to a moving average in that when price is above VWAP, prices are rising, and when price is below VWAP, prices are falling. VWAP is primarily used by technical analysts to identify market trend. So, first of all, we need to recognize the difference between an indicator or trend following indicator or an oscillator. Oscillator is something like RSI, which oscillates up and down on a scale, in this case, from 0 to 100. Okay, it's an oscillator. A moving average or VWAP is not an oscillator because it moves together with the price on the scale, on the same scale that the price is moving. So it's not oscillating, it's moving with the price. So, for some strange reason, on Market Cipher, the VWAP is included in the B section and is made into an oscillator, which basically tells us nothing. The only thing that tells us is that when the price is moving up, the oscillator is moving up. When the price is moving down, it's moving down. And so on, and so on, and so on, and so on. So on Search Flux A, we have included 3 VWAPs. We have a daily VWAP, which is this pink line. Then we have the weekly VWAP, which is this bluish line. And then the monthly VWAP, which is this dark blue line. For example, here, as you can see, the new month starts, so the VWAP resets, and it moves together with the daily, and then they separate here because the new day starts. The same situation is when the week ends. You can see the Monday starts here, and so the both VWAPs, daily and weekly, reset. They move together in line, and then once Tuesday starts, the daily starts moving on its own. So, when you use VWAP in confluence with other indicators, it's a very powerful tool that gives us additional confirmation. So like it said in the definition, when the price is kind of moving around the VWAP up and down, up and down, up and down, we don't have a clear indication what is going to happen. So then we look at divergences. But once we lose the VWAP, like once we close the candle, the full body candle below the VWAP, you can see that the price is moving down. So similar situation is here. Again, we are chopping, up and down, up and down, up and down, and then finally we close below, and then again we move down. Now here, there is no indication of such price action whatsoever. It's just, this tells us literally nothing. Then let's look at this move here. We are below the VWAP here, below, and then finally we close the candle above the daily. We reclaim it, right? And then we have this large, nice move up, and then further up, and then we come down, and then we lose it again, we close below it, and we go down. And then here, once we reclaim it, we bounce off of it, and we have a nice move up. So There is no question that a VWAP is not an oscillator, and it cannot tell you, it cannot play its function being in this form. Let me know your thoughts on VWAP, and let me know if you are using it in your day-to-day trading setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.